Are you ready to draw cute, easy koala together? Now let's draw with me. Hi, my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. Start by drawing the bottom curve and fluffy cheeks for the cute koala's head. Leaving a small gap at the bottom for the chin. Next, let's draw its big, round, sparkling eye on the right side with shiny highlights inside. Then color the rest of the eyes black. Draw the matching big sparkling eye on the left side. Right in the middle, draw a large oval nose with a cute little smiley mouth underneath. Add a cute little tuft of fluffy fur right at the top center of its head. Draw the large, fluffy outline of the koala's right ear at the top right. Add fluffy, wavy fur details inside both big ears to make them look soft and textured. Inside each ear, draw a soft wavy shape. Let's draw the body and legs. Draw the first front leg and paw coming down on the right side. Add small circles on the feet for the toes. Now draw the front paws next to the legs. Now, draw the other front leg coming down on the left side to balance the body. Finally, draw the round sitting back legs and feet with their cute little paw prints at the bottom. It was super easy, right? Let's add belly detail. Draw a soft, fluffy shape on the chest. This makes the koala look extra cute. Connect both sides with a short line and a small curve. Your adorable koala is all done. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.